Are you curious about your weight and wondering if you're in a healthy range? One way to find out is by calculating your body mass index, or BMI. BMI is a measure of body fat based on your height and weight, and it's a widely used tool to determine if someone is underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. It's important to note that while BMI is a widely used metric, it's not the only one and should not be used to make any medical diagnosis, but rather be a guide or a starting point. In order to calculate your BMI, you'll need to gather two pieces of information: your weight in pounds, and your height in inches. Once you have those numbers, you can use the BMI formula: BMI equals weight, in pounds, divide by height, in inches, squared, times 703. It's really that simple. But, calculating your BMI is just the first step. Understanding what your BMI means and how to use it to improve your overall health is the more important step. If your BMI is less than 18.5, you may be considered underweight. This can indicate that you are not getting enough nutrients or that you may have a higher risk for certain health conditions. If your BMI is between 18.5 and 24.9, you're considered to be at a healthy weight. Congratulations! You're on the right track to maintaining good health. If your BMI is between 25 and 29.9, you're considered to be overweight. This puts you at a higher risk for certain health conditions such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease, but it's important to remember that BMI is just one factor to consider. If your BMI is 30 or higher, you're considered to be obese. This puts you at a higher risk for a wide range of health problems, and it's important to speak with a healthcare professional about a plan to reach and maintain a healthy weight. No matter what your BMI is, it's important to remember that it is just one piece of the puzzle when it comes to assessing your overall health. For a more accurate assessment, it's always best to consult a doctor or a nutritionist. If you're interested in learning more about BMI and how to use it to improve your overall health, be sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more helpful tips and information. As a reminder, this video is only for general information and educational purposes. It is not to be used for diagnosis, and it's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional for a personalized assessment.